Walking up on a Romeo point. This is a classic woodcock. We're actually going to speed the timeline up on this one with the clock as we have before. Please leave in the comments what you think of that. The reason we started that was we had a bunch of people commenting that, through editing was why the birds were holding as long as they were, as opposed to how long these woodcock will really hold for us. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Oh. Right in front of him. Holy mackerel. Talk about holding tight. It was pretty obvious I just winged that bird with the first shot. I tried to follow up as he's falling with the second, but I was way behind. So Romeo's searching right now. It's obvious that bird's on the ground over there. Very wind washed, but we're going to go over. We're going to find him. And this is why you always sit and let the dog do his thing. I've been standing here for 3 minutes going back to make sure I hit this bird. And Romeo just hit on him, I think. So we're trying to find him. There he is. Good boy, Rome. Good boy. Ah, give.